Okay, so, well, hello everybody, my name's Dark Fox, and welcome back to Arizona Sunshine 2. I went back and grabbed this pistol, by the way. Yeah,
how are we gonna detach this train car?
Man, why am I sucking?
Alright, last flip.
Rest in peace. Okay. I can adjust my volume. That is what it is. Well, okay. Helmet. I need to find the key.
Not too far.
It's probably gonna be in there.
Okay,
Oh,
got
what are
me
you?
around
Oh,
here.
that! You trying to whack me? What are you looking at? Hey, what?
And stay down.
Oh, that fact. Let me just. For insurance. Never know. Yeah, you want? Ah. Wait. Ha. Wait a minute. Okay, if I. Yoink? Yeah, yoink. Oh, Huh. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, yoink. Yeah, yoink. Huh. So is the key in there somewhere where I could just? Yep. Yeah,
Can you
yoink.
fetch it?
Okay. Oh, you can get the burger for me as well, can you? I'm fine though. I'm full on health. Okay. Okay. Dog. Thank you, dog.
Very good boy.
Very good dog. Yoink. Okay. Yoink. Yoink.
I guess I just yanked the whole
Yoink.
thing off.
Okay.
Come on, legs.
I'm just
Leg
assuming.
faster.
Dog.
Thank you, legs.
Thank you,
I'll
dog.
never let you go numb sitting on the toilet again. You
Okay.
okay, buddy?
Oh, I got the plague mask. What? What is up here? Wait. Where's my? Wait, it's gone. Oh, give me that. Give me the plague mask. Ooh, I don't think it can run.
Come on, train. Train
No way.
faster.
There's no way. Ain't no way you can get on here. No way. Nope. Yeah, those things still aren't they? Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh, that one's still running.
Holy shit! So
Oh, you're going into the train. Huh. Okay, is what it is. Dun dun na 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 na.
Yahoo! Human beings, here we come! Oh, just wait till the army guys see us rolling up in this thing, man! All right, bud, let's get up to the front.
Okay, let's go. We're on a train. Yeah, yoink. Now what? Okay, go to the front of the train. I will. Oh,
Hey, Freddy,
Boingo.
nice of you to drop in. Ooh,
Glock.
good vibe, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it's a Glock. What do you expect? I like this better.
Very
Thompson.
nice indeed.
Yeah, yoink. Grab the ammo from that. Put that on my back. Okay. All right. Yeah, yoink. Clothing. Open this.
Give me a second here, buddy.
Huh. Oh, I see. Yeah, yoink. Oh, stop. Grab. Wait, no. Wait, I want the M4. Wait. Don't do this to me. Where did the M4 go? What? There it is. Thank you. Oh, crowbar. Okay, that'll serve me. That'll be useful. Okay. Yeah, yoink.
Hang tight, buddy.
Okay, got M4 still. Wall.
Wow. It might not be safe up here, but it is cool. Gotcha!
What? Shooting you through the. Yeah.
Tickets, please. Get your tickets,
ow.
please.
No, wait, no. What? Are you kidding me? What? It's what it is. It is what it is.
Hang tight, buddy.
Yeah.
It might not be safe up here, but it is cool. Bye-bye, Fred.
Okay.
good for me psychologically?
Yeah, I know. What? Are you so what? What? I'm gonna die. This game's gonna kill me. Oh, this game is just janky. It is janky sometimes. Why? What did I deserve? What did I do to deserve that? Okay.
Tickets, please.
There we go.
Get your tickets, please.
Ammo. Where the ammo go? I don't know. Dog.
Right, let's get this thing open.
Dog.
Yeah, I don't want
There we
to
go.
get Freddy goo on me. Could you pull him out of the way?
Why is something so? I don't know. Is what it is.
What a good
Pull him out
dog.
of the. Solid. Yeah. Yoink. Yoink. Let me through. Okay. Yeah. Yoink. Yoink. Ooh, okay. You know what? Sausage. You know, all
I
the
gotta find
game's
another way
budget
around.
went into this
Hold on,
the
bud.
jiggle physics. I have to say. Yum yum yum. Okay.
Thank God for preservatives.
Yum. Ooh. Oh, metal. Oh, plate. Yoink. Okay. Oh, run. Speed run. Oh, stop. I hate when I grab my M4. Okay. Yeah. Open. Oh, body bags.
Bodies rocking everywhere.
Yeah, apparently so. Yeah, yoink, yoink. Eh. Oh,
Sure
thanks,
would love
puppy.
some more ammo.
Yeah, me too. Okay, M4.
Buddy for the win.
Oh, no.
So long, Freddy.
Oh, wait, dog, you're gonna get blown up, dog. You're gonna get doggy, dog. Goodbye. Rest in peace. Oh, he's still alive. Okay, it is what it is. Huh.
Be careful up there, buddy.
Timing.
Should use some more ammo.
Presto, okay.
Very good.
Yeah, I
boy.
could use some more ammo, but I think I'll be fine. Presto. Insurance shot. Okay, yeah, yoink, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, what? Okay. Yeah, Nope, nothing. Burger. Okay,
The mold is
ammo,
mighty
glue.
good.
Oh, Golden Desert Eagle. Okay, you know what? I won't mind that. Okay, yoink. All right, okay. No ammo. Grenade. Oh. You know, just insurance. Okay. Okay. Oh, a gold
Give
bar,
me
eh?
a second here, buddy.
Okay, I have no idea what he said. Worth less than a can of worm shit, I believe. I'm scoring the game. Yeah, yoink. Oh. You know.
We got a zero
Goodbye.
tolerance policy for train hoppers, Fred.
Goodbye.
Like a hot knife through
Goodbye.
our neck.
Yeah. Oh, it's bendy. Oh, extra and battery and what? Okay. Why is it giving me notifications?
Not bad, huh?
Wow, this crowbar is still
on
working.
top of a train, boys.
Okay, no, it's useless. Yo, yoink.
Hey, that's nasty.
Ooh, a minigun. Oh, why not? Doggy. Dog. Let's go, dog. Commander Dog, let's go. We must kill those zombies. Why not? Grenade.
What do we have
Wow.
here? Yo, Freddy! You guys doing a flash
Oh, wow.
mob?
How did the grenade not explode
What are
the
you about to
barrels?
propose?
Huh? Oh, wait. Ooh, give me the minigun. Yeah, no.
Sorry, Fred. No tickets.
No. Oh, this thing is sick. No. How are they jumping the way they are? You know, I have to say, I don't understand how the military fell so easily because look at this. With all this weaponry, look how many zombies are killing. Like, how could you die from this?
Nice try,
How would
Freddy.
you die in a zombie apocalypse if you have this much weaponry? It make no sense. Oh no. Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot of them. There's a lot. Headshot, 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 headshot. Huh. Oh, it does? It can overheat. Jeez. Okay. Man, I have unlimited ammo, don't I? Dog. Can I shoot my dog? No, he's bulletproof. Okay. At least we conclude that. So can I bring this with me, or... Nope. Oh, what's behind here? Huh? Nothing behind here? So you're just gonna let me pull these, but it does nothing. Okay. Forward. Because why not? Oh, am I centered? I don't know. I might be centered. Okay. I'm good enough, I'm assuming. Okay. So what's up above? Wait, I don't think I can get up there, can I? Huh. Maybe if anything I can grab, or maybe from the other side, I'm assuming. Maybe not. If not, so be it. I don't mind too much. Okay. Huh. Yeah, yoink. Yeah, yoink. Oh, and magazines. That's great. I'll take those. Okay, down here. I think we're near the front of the train.
Good night, Freddy. Oh, my Lanta.
Ooh, solid.
Where's the ammo fairy when I need it?
No, we're fine. We're fine. I'm good on ammo. Take that, though.
Toast them and roast them.
Oh, maybe just take the magazine out real
Ammo's
quick.
getting low.
Okay. Reload, reload. Huh. Nothing. Nothing. Ooh. Wait, I can't. Huh. No, I like classic Plague Doctor back. Better. Way better. Yeah, yoink. Or way more, whatever. Hello. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Oh! One of those puzzle games. Hey, look at that. Cyril has a puzzle game. I miss those times. I don't think they do that now. Huh. Okay. Open. Open. Okay. Target acquired. Okay, yoink.
Oh, getting light on it.
There's a bunch of fat people on this train. That is what it is. I'm not gonna judge, like, you know. They like to eat, you know. Huh. Ooh, gas mask.
We gotta get to the front. The station's coming up and we gotta stop this thing.
Huh. Why can't I go up there? Seems a lot more convenient. And why don't I die if I fall? Okay. Why don't I die if I fall down? I should. That would be a really good mechanic if I were to die. Maybe it's because of this difficulty setting. Probably. I don't know.
This is 555 actual. Is there someone on this channel?
Hey.
No.
Hello. Is this radio working? Army guy, can you hear me?
On this channel. You're the guy with my dog.
Yes. Yeah. Wolfie, right? Listen, I'm gonna be there sooner than planned. We got a train working and we're heading north.
You're on a train?
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
God damn it. Listen to me. The Amber Pass is out.
The what?
The bridge! The bridge is out!
Shit.
Whoa,
That's
whoa,
not
what?
good. Buddy, get out of there!
What? Why were you in? Oh, I'm dead. Oh, my dog's not. My dog's dead. There's no way you're living that. I'm dead. We're all dead. How can I survive that? We dead? We dead? We don't know that. We have no life. We dead. We dead. Ain't no way living that. I ain't living. I'm no live. I know alive. These loading screens take way too damn long.
Oh, well, that fucking sucked. Oh, buddy, where are you? Buddy?
How am I alive? How am I alive? How? Why isn't that damaged at all? That should be compressed in. If I slammed into there and then got stuck over there. Oh shoot. Anyway, yeah. Where am I? My dog dead. No way. Oh, well, that's a zombie. Huh. Okay, so that's all the time I have for this episode of Arizona Sunshine 2. My name's Dark Fox. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next episode. My dog is so dead. Bye-bye.